What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video it's about to declutter this thing. Ta-da! Okay, this is a disclaimer. This video is not to be sound like braggy or showy. I put a disclaimer out there that this stuff that didn't happen just like overnight, you know. I have this like since 5 or 6 years ago. I have some stuff very old, like before I moved to Sweden, so it becomes a collection. I hope you enjoy this video.
So this is it looks like, the jewelry bags. If you want to ask about the price and where I get it or the measurement, I will link down below. And so it's a mess right now. I mean, it's not totally a mess, but it's overwhelming, you know. It's a lot. It's time to organize now.
Start in this side, the earring side, and then all the way down to the bracelet. And this one is the rings and the necklaces. It's mostly full of necklaces, so I will start in this one first. Okay, now this is all done. It's empty, it's clean. Now we are going to this side. Just continue. Oh, it's empty. Oh, we need to put it back, the things that I'm planning to keep.
Okay, here are all my stuff, and I segregate the things that I'm going to keep and I'm going to give to my family in Philippines. As you can see here, this is the one I'm giving away, and it's earrings and bracelet, and this one I'm going to keep, and my chokers and these colorful earrings I'm going to keep for sure, and this as well I'm going to keep, and this is I'm going to give away, but not this Tomorrowland thing. It's a souvenir. So here I'm packing it. This is where I put the things I'm gonna give away to my family in Philippines, and if they don't want, then they can just toss it, you know. And I put them in a zip bag, so it's easy to segregate and they can choose what they want.
So this is the after. It's more organized now. It has more space. I decided to keep this one because I was thinking on Christmas. Compare this with a red dress or this one. So these 2 or 3, I keep them. The oldest one. Mostly are new. I love hoops. Now this is the small to medium size, and the largest one is here. This is bracelet as well. Studs, but I have the smallest studs, like I just put in a small case. But this is on my display. This is the earrings. No, the rings. That's wrong. This is the rings, the earrings, and necklaces here. There's the statement pieces here. It's big one. These colorful earrings, and all this perfect for summer. This is my chokers. This area is my choker. This is a big bracelet. This is just a decoration of something on my dress. I just keep it just in case I need it. And a little more bracelet here. That's it. I think I did a great job, and it feels so good. To be honest, I've gotta say something, that the feelings when you buy something and the feelings that when you get rid of the stuff, I feel like the same feeling. Like I get excited to get rid of some stuff that I don't use anymore, or it's getting old that I don't feel grabbing for them, so it feels really satisfying, to be honest. So I like that feeling, same as you get when you buy something new and then at the same time you're decluttering your stuff. So why you keep the things if you don't use them anyway, right? I hope you enjoyed this type of video, and please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I see you on my next video. See you on Monday. Excuse me.